Welcome back. This weekend and into next week, a lot of people will watch dazzling professional fireworks displays that, while sometimes maybe a little bit dangerous, are quite regulated and almost always legal. Most backyard 4th of July fireworks displays, on the other hand, are not. In this state, you're pretty much limited to just sparklers. Why and what specifically should we know about the law here in New York? Joining us live tonight is Peter Pullano, a managing partner with Tully Rinckey Attorneys and Counselors at Law, joining us tonight from Rochester. We appreciate your time, sir, and I wonder if we could just start here with the basics, because, we kind of all hear, mostly fireworks that we, see people do in the backyard. Oftentimes they're illegal. What should people know about what they can and can't legally do?
The simple rule is that if it shoots something into the air or if it goes boom, it's illegal in New York State. Whereas we have some amount of legal fireworks now, never did before, it's only been the last few years. It's really limited to fountains and sparklers, the sparkling devices, they call them under the law, but anything else is still illegal in New York State.
We talk about that, Peter, being illegal, yet many of us go to parties on the 4th of July, right? And out of nowhere, you see the neighbors or maybe people at your own party still doing this stuff. They go out of state, they get the fireworks and shoot them off. I guarantee you there are many thousands of people watching us right now who do it. How serious is it if you happen to get caught?
It can get serious. If you've just a simple amount of fireworks, it's a violation similar to a traffic ticket. But you find if you have too many, and if you have over $150 worth, the law presumes you have them to sell, and it becomes a crime, a misdemeanor. If you're selling to someone under 18, it can be a crime. And we find more and more. And if it's a second offense, it could actually rise to the level of a felony. So I've been doing this for 36 years. I still haven't had a client who got arrested for fireworks, but the laws are strict, and if you get caught, you're facing some serious trouble.
Yeah, I wonder too if someone is injured, and we know these injuries happen, it seems like that may also put you in more legal jeopardy, not just potentially as a crime, but also you've got civil litigation, right? Especially if you injure someone maybe next door to you and you're using illegal fireworks.
Absolutely. You're going to have the 1-2 punch. Now you've actually, through your recklessness, caused damage, which could make you liability. And you did so when you were doing something that was illegal, which is going to put you in that much more trouble in the civil courts as well. So certainly the liability is a huge problem as well.
Peter, I've only got about 30 seconds left, but I wonder if we could end. I realize these are things that are different state to state, and that's just how this country is set up. But it is confusing for some people that, maybe they just got back from a vacation and they pulled over in Pennsylvania or another state and grabbed some fireworks. And in some cases, I'm sure some people don't know.
Yeah, and it's important for them to know. You mentioned the wonderful fireworks displays that every town and every county has. Go to them instead. Enjoy it. Watch the professionals do theirs. And in the state of New York, it's just not allowed.
Peter Pullano, attorney and managing partner with Tully Rinckey, PLLC. We appreciate you taking some time for us, sir. Happy holidays to you.
Thanks for having me. Enjoy the 4th.
And you do the same.